take a look at this Camaro here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1979 model year Chevrolet Camaro Z28. And yes, this is a true Z28. It's actually an LA built car. Has the 8 in the correct spot on the cowl tag, which you'll be able to see in the still pictures, and I'll tell you that in a little bit. It also has the numbers matching 350 underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic transmission. It'd be the Turbo Hydromatic 350 automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. This wasn't originally a red car, so still appearing the way it would have back in 1979 when it rolled off the Chevy dealer showroom. Black interior, also correct on this one. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this front grille fascia. Then I want to point a few things out and explain the paint a little bit. Now, as far as the paint on this one, the way the lighting is in here, and even with the filters and stuff on the camera phones and the filming I do, it really can make that red pop sometimes with lights. This paint does show its age a little bit, so I just want to point that out, and I'll kind of try to give you examples as I go around. Right here you can see a little discoloration kind of in it. Now, does it still show well? Yes. It's not perfect. Sometimes the pictures will really pop. There's like a light scratch, just a real light one there, and you're also going to see one over here, light one. So trying to give you a fair idea what the condition and how it looks, and I'll kind of point some things out as I go around. But one of those where you just step back and I say, you know, a 5 to 10 footer, yeah, is what it is. Still fun to drive, still sounds good, and we'll check it out some more. But first, if you want to see the undersides, the engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Right here in the door, there's a spot on the passenger side. I'm going to point out a spot on the driver's too. Had a little bit of a dinger there. You know, will a paintless dent removal help smooth that some? You know, make it not as noticeable? Possibly. Or drive it the way it is. Don't worry about it. All right, let's go ahead. Of course, riding on the Z28 wheels there, you see the matching colored ones. Goodyear Eagle STs. It's that interior cloth vinyl blend, center console. Aftermarket stereo that does work. Wipers also work on it. Rear window louvers, very popular in the late 70s, early 80s. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this car may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Another little spot that shows its age is just this trim piece right here. It's been a little dried in the sun, and then you can see the rear bumper maybe just a little bit hazy. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. I'll give you that phone number at the end here too. Let's take a look down the driver's side. And you can see paint shows well, decent reflection to it. You come up here in the door, we do know a few spots where it's had a couple little dingers. The consignor has chosen to sell it that way and just announce it, point them out, but again, step back a little bit, not as noticeable. Price reflects it. So if you want to save a few bucks, have a car to drive, have a little fun with, maybe do a little TLC on your own, here you go. All right, let's go ahead and check out this interior. See how that looks. We started up, check out the engine bay. First of all, door panels. Does show a little wear down towards the bottom, as you can see there. Carpeting looks good, nice floor mats. Take a look at the driver's seat. Seats are really pretty much free of anything major as far as rips or tears. Yeah, you got a little bit of wear in the piping here, but that's to be expected. A little wear up towards the top, and the vinyl showing its age a tad there. But again, overall, get in, drive it, have some fun. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Let's hear it run. Starts easily. There's your aftermarket stereo that I mentioned. Is working. Let me turn it down. Gauges, tachometer working. That was a cold start, so we have a little bit of an idle up here at the beginning. Here's the fuel gauge working. Volts. Temp gauge is not going to have moved since it was a cold start. It doesn't look like the clock is working. Imagine that. Again, wipers work. Top of the dash looking good. Passenger seat, center console. Also appear to be in good shape. Slip around to the back of this, you can hear it run. Door closes nicely. So no crazy exhaust, nothing over the top loud or anything like that. Alright, I'm going to go up to the front, we'll pop this hood, and let's check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, there we go. Hood popped. Again, numbers matching. 350 underneath the hood. Looks like we have a new master cylinder. Some power steering, power brakes. That is looking like a pretty stock engine bay here. And remember that 350 is paired up with a turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission. As you can hear and see it idled up a little bit. Or excuse me, warmed up a little bit and idled down. There you go. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, real deal. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. We're going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.